Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on troubleshooting motor issues with the Conga 950. In this video, we will walk you through the necessary steps to diagnose and potentially fix the problems you may be experiencing with your device. First, let's gather the tools you will need for this task. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a set of spanners, and a soft brush for cleaning. Having these tools ready will make the process much smoother. Begin by ensuring the vacuum cleaner is unplugged. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the power before starting any repairs. Once unplugged, turn the device upside down to access the base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the base plate. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the base plate is off, you should see the motor assembly. Inspect the motor for any visible signs of damage or debris. If you notice any dust or hair buildup, use the soft brush to clean the area thoroughly. A clean motor can often resolve performance issues. If the motor appears intact, the next step is to check the wiring connections. Ensure that all wires are securely connected and free from damage. If you find any loose connections, reattach them firmly. If the wiring looks compromised, it may be best to consult a professional. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so if this seems too tricky, don't hesitate to reach out. Next, let's examine the motor's carbon brushes. These are small components that can wear out over time. To access them, you may need to remove additional screws from the motor casing. Once you have access, check the brushes for wear. If they are worn down, replacing them can significantly improve motor performance. After checking the brushes, reassemble the motor casing and base plate, ensuring all screws are tightened securely. It's crucial to ensure everything is put back together correctly to avoid any further issues. Now, let's discuss the importance of regular maintenance. Keeping your Conga 950 clean and well-maintained can prevent many common issues. Regularly empty the dust container and clean the filters to ensure optimal performance. If you find that the motor still isn't functioning correctly after these checks, it may be time to consider professional help. We provide collection and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Plus, you can receive a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In summary, troubleshooting motor issues with the Conga 950 involves checking for debris, inspecting wiring connections, and examining the carbon brushes. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can often resolve these issues yourself. However, if you prefer a hassle-free solution, remember that we are here to help with no calls and no travel required. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in getting your Conga 950 back to its best performance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.